I'm out here with James, and we're all familiar with the 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. And James, how does this one work?
Well, that's the one that's been around for 40 years in the Pacific Northwest. So hopefully folks are familiar with that one. And that's the spray-on hose-off product, where you can use it on any outdoor surface, your gutters, steps, fences, driveways, patio furniture, you name it. And you basically spray it on, leave it according to the directions, and then rinse it off with a garden hose, and instant results.
And I've been using this on my house for years,
Right.
but you also have some other products though.
Certainly do. We have the outdoor cleaner that gives the instant results versus the 30 seconds spray and walk away, which activates in a different manner. It works over time. So you spray this product onto the surface, and this is designed more for large surface areas like roofs or extensive pathways, where you want to just spray the surface on and let it kill the moss, lichen or algae over time, and brightens up the surface over coming weeks and months, and it retains its cleanliness for some time after that as well.
So it's a little easier because you just
a
throw
lot
it on and
easier.
you don't even have to go back and wash it off.
Yes,
or
it's
worry
one
about it for
one
30
step
seconds
easier than the outdoor cleaner. The difference is that gives the instant gratification versus you need to be on a surface you're not looking at every day, like your soffits or your gutters or your patio furniture, where you're going to get a visitor around perhaps.
Right. So it is nice. But then you also have some other products that you use. You have an indoor product.
Correct. This year we released the 30 seconds indoor cleaner, and that's been just absolute perfect timing for us. It was planned, of course, last year already, and we released that, and it's now available at Lowe's Home Improvement Warehouse along with the gallon. It's actually a buy one get the indoor cleaner free at the moment. So you can also get it at Park Rose Hardware locally here in Portland, as well as Miller Paints actually.
Oh, which is great.
So it's great for cleaning kitchen and baths. And certainly, algae, mold and mildew and those type of things indoors. And it's a great, terrific product. We're very proud of that one.
Because I know, for myself personally, being home a lot more and in my garden a lot more, it's like I've been noticing a little more around the house. You take a little different look at the gutters and the roofs and the sidewalks and the furniture. So it's you want those clean because you're
certainly. I mean, we are spending more time at home and doing those things, and great. What an opportunity to get those done. That when this whole pandemic comes to pass, hopefully sooner than later, we can all go elsewhere and not be at home, which I'm sure we'll all be delighted to do. So fun times.
Now, James, when I was walking up, I noticed on the sidewalk some differences between the sidewalk in front of your house and your neighbor's house. There's a product you've been using versus maybe just pressure washing.
Correct, and that's exactly what this will do. It will leave your natural surface looking good and clean the day you put it in, versus pressure washing, which takes off the top layer of the surface, basically takes off that cambium layer, makes it rough and more porous, which actually enhances the growth because it regerminates in 3 to 4 weeks again, and you get a higher infestation. Versus this, you just spray it on, gets it clean, job's done. So
because I'm noticing that sidewalk after years of pressure washing, it's very pocked.
You will destroy it.
Clean, but it's done some overall damage.
And the same with wood. It will strip and ruin wooden deck if you're not very careful with it. So certainly there are advantages to using the product.
Now, as far as spraying these, do we need to worry about being safe next to our lawns or shrubs?
Certainly a good question there, because the outdoor cleaner perfectly safe around plants and lawns, used per the directions, whereas the spray and walker one is a little stronger and more aggressive, and this requires caution around your plants and lawns. So certainly be careful with direct target spraying when you're using this on your driveways or your roofs.
Which is good to remember why you're doing that.
It certainly is. Yeah, we want to protect those picture frames of ours.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, if people are looking for the product, the best place to find these.
Definitely go online to our website, 30secondscleaners.com. So it's virtually all local retailers will have it here, but certainly if you're looking specific in your area, try 30secondscleaners.com for a dealer near you.
Well, that's great. So get onto their website. You can find a place next to you to go get this, or you can go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over to their website. So James, it's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.